These are my newly installed can lights, and in this video I'll show you how to install a dimmer switch for them. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. Before doing any electrical project, make sure you turn off your circuit breaker. Step 2. Use a flathead screwdriver and carefully remove the cover plate. Step 3. Do me a favor and smash that like button. Step 4. Buy a dimmer switch. I got this one at Lowe's, but I'm pretty sure you can get a better deal on Amazon, and I'll have the links in the description below. As you can see, mine is similar style to match my current switches with the dimmer toggle on the side. It's a good idea to unfold all the wires to make it easier for the installation. It also came with a nice instructions that you can refer to if needed for any clarification, and it came with some screws and wire nuts. Step 5. Remove existing switch by removing the bottom and the top screw with a drill or a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull it out of place so it's easier to disconnect all the wires. Look at the instructions that came with your dimmer switch to see which configuration you have. As you can see, I have a 1 switch, so I'll use the 3 wire configuration, and I'll be following steps 3A and 4A as shown per the instructions. In step 3A, it says I won't need to use this wire, so I'll place the small wire nut that came with it. On my switch, I need to use a small screwdriver and stick it into this hole to release the bottom wire, which will be connected to the black wire on the switch. So right away, I connected the wire to the black wire and used the provided wire nut. I like to do 1 wire at a time so I don't get confused which wire goes where. Then I removed the top wire and connected it with the red wire on the switch and used the wire nut to secure them. Lastly, I used a flathead screwdriver and removed the ground wire from the switch. I had to use some pliers to straighten out the ground wire and connected it with the green wire on the dimmer switch using the provided wire nut. Next, carefully tuck in all the wires into the hole, then screw in the provided screws. Don't screw them all the way and use the cover plate to see how everything lines up. Then make any necessary adjustments and tighten the screws. Next, place the cover back on and screw in all the screws. Be careful not to over tighten them, as you do not want to crack the plastic cover. Turn the circuit breaker on, and finally test your lights to make sure everything's working properly. And that's it. Thanks and subscribe.